Hello, dear viewers. Happy Good Friday, everyone. So, ngayon, ako ay alone at home dahil yung aking husband took time to go to his province sa Zambales. So, para naman kahit papano meron siyang deviation away from his regular day of going to the dialysis. So, ayan na nga guys, I am preparing sandwich for my breakfast on Good Friday. Sinamahan natin yan ng gulay para naman may balance yung diet natin. Hindi lang puro carb pero meron ding fiber na kasama at saka may protein din. Sasamahan kasi natin yan ng egg. At ayun na nga guys, hindi ko na pa nakita sa inyo kung paano ko in-slice yung cucumber at tomato. Pero ginawa ko yun bago ko sinalang yung egg and then I put the bread on top of the egg. Actually, hindi ko ma-achieve yung gusto kong, yung napanood ko doon sa TikTok because dapat pala ang ginamit kong pan ay flat. So, yan. Also, makikita ninyo, I'm trying to flip it. Kaya lang nga, dahil sa wala pa tayong masyadong gadget in taking video. So, yung isang kamay ko kumukuha ng video and my other hand is trying to flip yung ating sandwich. So, nahihirapan ako. So, ang ginawa ko, ibinaba ko muna yung video. Tapos, at saka ko yan finlip using my two hands. So, ayan guys, successful naman na flip ko yung sandwich. Ngayon, I already put yung cucumber at saka yung tomato on top of the egg. And then, I added cheese para naman medyo, flavorful yung ating sandwich. So, yan, mukha na siyang sandwich, kaya lang nga hindi ko talaga na-achieve yung kung ano man yung dapat covered kasi yung entire bread ng egg, pero hindi ko na nagawa. Pero anyway, satisfied naman ako dyan. And then, yan, I flipped it again. At saka yung toast niya, eksakto lang yung yung pagka-toast niya, and masarap naman yung nagawa natin na sandwich. So, ayan guys, there you go. And then of course guys, para presentable naman yung ating breakfast para sa sarili natin, to make us feel good, inilagay din natin yan sa serving dish. So makikita ninyo, no, parang tinatry ko pa kung gaano ka-crunchy yung toasted bread. So yan, I tried to slice it in half para makita naman natin kung nag-melt yung cheese at nag-blend it with the vegetable, tsaka yung bread na pinrepare natin. So far, looking good naman siya. By the way, guys, alam niyo, I am of course trying a wannabe vlogger, no? So, medyo may struggle tayo in some technicalities at hindi natin sometimes na-document yung mga important, moments. Kasi hindi rin ako minsan aware, pero I'm trying my best guys, and sana masuportahan nyo naman yung mga nag-uumpisang vlogger like me. So guys, I decided to add yung pesto pasta na ginawa ko noong nakarang araw sa breakfast natin. So kung maaalala ninyo, in my previous videos, pinakita ko sa inyo yung very lush ko na basil na tanim, right? So, alam mo naman tayong mga Pinoy, very few yung dish na alam natin para magamit yung basil. And nanghihinayang ako kasi sa dami niya, minsan nasasayang lang pag nilalagay ko sa fridge, nasisira siya. So, I decided to make pesto pasta. Yan, successful naman yan. So, gagamitin natin yan, i-add natin in our breakfast today during Good Friday. So, ayan, we are almost there. Napainit na natin yung pesto pasta, na-plated na natin yung ating sandwich, and now I am preparing my drink. So, meron tayong apple cranberry juice. Lalagyan natin yung ating mug na na-free natin para mag-match doon sa ating meal. And then, dadalhin ko yan doon sa aking terrace para doon ako magmuni-muni at to enjoy my breakfast. At ayan nga, ready na ako to take my breakfast. Nag-move na tayo doon sa terrace ko where I always feel comfortable I felt like when I am in this space in my home, feeling ko meron akong kakampi, you know. I get that positive energy from the plants. I don't know if you have the same experience, pero yun yung nararamdaman ko talaga whenever I'm around dun sa aking mga halaman. Whenever I am near nature, I feel so comfortable. Meron akong comfort na nararamdaman. Ayan nga, ipinapakita ko sa inyo yung aking mga mumunting mga halaman sa aking terrace. Wala akong extra lot, pero dito sa terrace na ito, I still enjoy, you know, seeing the view ng neighborhood namin. Merong nakikita ko pa yung mga mountains, meron pang rice field, you know. May mga trees ako na nakikita, although makipapansin niyo ang daming nakaharang na mga wiring. So, yun. Pero when you are here in person, ma-enjoy nyo pa rin naman yung view. So, ayan. You know, guys, I wanted to share with you. I have this strong desire really to move to the province na, kasi I've been working, you know, since I was 18 years old, and as you know, this channel discusses about the experience of a woman in her mid-40s, and that is me. So, you know, meron akong experience in life right now na strong desire to really live a minimalist life. You know, I can live in the field, you know, yung in the rice field maybe, or in a farm if I am given the opportunity. So that's why right now I am trying to make an effort to lead me towards that direction. So back in many years back, we acquire a property in Zambales. Hindi naman siya kalakihan, nasa 380 square meters lang siya. Pero really, I am making an effort, although yung effort ko hindi pa ganun kasapat, pero talagang gusto ko nang mag-move to the province. If there is an opportunity for me to earn online, or for me to really settle in province, gagawin ko talaga yun, kasi yun na yung hinahanap ng aking well-being right now. I don't know if it's the same with you in your mid-40s. Parang, you know, you wanted peace, you wanted a more relaxed life. Ang init ng panahon, mga beshies, hindi ko kaya. Papasok na tayo, mag-aircon tayo, sobrang init. Ganda sana dito kasi napapalibutan ng halaman nga dito. Masarap kumain siya. Eh kaso ang init-init naman. Hello guys. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko ha. Kasi pagkagising ko, I worked for a while. Kasi meron akong gustong training na tapusin. And then, I went down to prepare my breakfast. Siyempre, ginamos tayo ng konti, nag-toothbrush and all that. Tapos, nag-prepare ako ng breakfast para makakain tayo ng ngayong umaga. So, after preparing for breakfast, I thought, why not share a video with you on my activities for today during Good Friday. Wala tayong ganap, wala akong naplano na vacation or something. Una, ang init ng panahon. Pangalawa, naiisip ko yung gastos. Alam niyo naman, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I am pressed lately because of the expenses related dun sa healthcare ng husband ko and other expenses of the family. So, yun, ito lang yung ganap natin ngayong araw. Sa bahay lang tayo, at patuloy kong tatapusin yung training na tinatapos ko online. Medyo madugo rin, mahaba. It's about treatment and recovery of person affected by drug use and dependence. So, maraming mga technicalities. So, makikita ninyo dito sa likod ko, yan yung nakikita ko when I'm sleeping, when I'm working dito sa room ko, facing yung aking terrace. Kaya nakikita ko yung mga halaman ko kung ano nangyayari sa kanya. At kapag medyo gusto ko mag-stretch from what I'm doing, ayun, nag-stretch ako, tumatayo ako, minsan may nire-replant ako, babalik ulit ako sa ginagawa ko. So, kanina, I tried to have my breakfast dun. Kaso, ang init guys, grabe, hindi ko kaya. Para akong mauubusan ng hininga. So, pumasok ako dito. Kailangan natin mag-aircon. Mahirap na ma-heat stroke. So guys, please naman, kung you come across this video, please like and subscribe and put a comment naman down below. Please support naman yung mga small trying to be vlogger na kagaya ko, di ba? Support naman, support locals. Yeah. See you on the next episode. Bye! Happy Holy Week! Happy pagninilay! So, ito na nga guys, yung small property na binabanggit ko sa inyo sa Zambales. So, meron niyang century na puno ng mangga. At sabi ng husband ko, while he's there right now, may mga bata daw na umaakyat. Nakakatuwa naman. Kasi mapapansin ninyo, ayan o, ang dami niyang bunga. Hitik na hitik sa bunga. Meron ding 2 Indian mango dyan na tumutubo at nagbubunga na rin.
Kawanin? Ano si Libray? Birthday ni Sabireng. Alaman. Belated Sabireng. Ito yung Sabireng.
Ako yun ay birthday celebrant.
Ang pagsusuluya. Tao! Banda tayo Sabireng. Sabireng! Kumuhay! Kaway! Ay! Kaway dyan. Ay, Bonso. Kaway din. Bonso. Ay! Dalaga! Dalaga. Ay!
Panganay.
Ay! Jumbo! Ay! Jumbo!
Jumbo.
Ay, si Saleng! Ay! Ay, ko na! Mas Jumbo ito ay! Tuya kay Banana. Anak ni Jumbo! Nadali mo.
Ay, mantika.
Oh, ito lang naman ang ano namin eh. Ito lang ng napag-anuhan namin. Hiniba. Oh. May tarian, may mangga. May pusit pa. Oh. Saan ka pa?
Saan yung pusit natin pala?
Ayun pa yan, sa kabila. Oh.
Hindi ay. Dapat nalalaman pang gabi ka pang gabi.
Oh. Diba? Sarap, may bagoong pa. Ano ka pa?
May balon-balunan pa.
May balon-balunan pa, oh. Ha? Alright. Okay.
Lahat.